y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kira. As y'all can tell from the title, today is going to be a moving vlog. My cousin and I, we just got approved for our apartment like last week or so. So now, girl, we are getting into overdrive. And honestly, y'all, like I have the most time on the weekends, so that's when I really have to lock in. Today is Saturday. I just got finished doing some cleaning up around the house, but now I just want to go through some things that I don't necessarily need today. I'm also debating on whether or not I want to stop by Lowe's to get some boxes, because there are some things I can just go ahead and start packing. Today is September 27th. I don't have to move in until November 5th. I gotta be prepared, you know what I mean? There's a lot of background things that I want to make sure I'm good and ready for. Y'all, moving out of this place, our lease is supposed to end in December, but we can only move into the new place in November. So because we're breaking the lease, we have to pay this rent and the rent for the other place. Girl, I have to lock the heck in to be paying rent for two places. Like, in this economy, what are y'all even talking about? So I just want to make sure I'm good. I just want to make sure that like everything will be good to go. I have not actually seen the new place yet. My cousin and my auntie, they went to go tour the place because I had to work, and I just saw videos of it and it looks really nice. I'm excited to just see it for myself though. I probably won't see it until like we actually move in, but I trust my cousin's opinion and the pictures that I've seen online, also just like the reviews that the place had. I'm actually pretty excited. I just hate moving, y'all. Like, I'm not excited about that part, like the furniture moving and all that. This vlog is gonna be like all over the place. Y'all will be seeing me filming just over the next month, so this is gonna be a long, hefty kind of vlog. I have a lot of PR and just stuff that gets sent to me that I don't even use. I'm trying to set aside some products to give to family, but also to possibly give away to you guys. Y'all would make better use of it than I would. But yeah, I can't believe we're moving. God is so good, because one, this is my first time experiencing like living on my own. Well, this apartment, y'all know this was, I just moved here like not even 6 months ago yet. The fact that I'm already moving when I kind of just got to Atlanta and stuff is crazy. He's just so good. I'm not gonna lie, I was having moments where I was getting kind of stressed because of the financial aspects, but also the timing of everything. Like, I still have to work a full-time job and make sure all of this stuff is done. I have another business that I do on the side, and then this content creation, like I make money from that a little bit. So I'm just trying to like get all of my duckies in a row, you know? When I got a little stressed, but God just always grounds me. Like, he always, when I tell him I need him, he just comes through. So I'm so grateful for God. I finally feel like a little bit of a weight lifted. That's not to say I won't feel stressed some point in this vlog, but yeah, I'm just ready for this. So I have this box that I have never fully unpacked since I moved into this place, because I just had nowhere for this stuff to go. I haven't touched really any of this stuff in here since I moved here, which means I don't really need a lot of it. This has all of pictures and stuff that I had on my vanity. A lot of this stuff is what was in my vanity that I had when I was living back at home. With the bathroom set up here, it just wasn't necessary for me to get a vanity, so I'm trying to decide if I'll get one for the new place or not. But yeah, let's just go through this box and make a pile of like don't want.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined.
Y'all, I separated everything. I'm so excited just to give that stuff away. Right now I'm about to eat 3 boiled eggs. I'm not really a breakfast person, and it's not anywhere near breakfast right now. It's actually like 2 something. Oh, it's 1:30. Then I want to eat something before I leave the house. I did end up finding a Home Depot in the area that we're gonna be moving to, so I'm gonna go there. I don't want to go in the store. Like, I just don't want to be bothered. One thing I'm trying to figure out is for the stuff that I'm sending y'all, how I want to set up that giveaway. First, I'm gonna let my family and friends have dibs, and if there's anything left over, then I'll do a giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out like if I should announce that here or just let the giveaway be here or on TikTok, or like how I want to kind of do that. But I'm excited. It's a lot of good stuff in there, and because I just have so many doubles of everything, like I'm like, okay, I need to give some of this stuff away. I don't want it to go to waste. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna head out in a little bit. Not going to Home Depot anymore. Y'all, I thought I got paid and I have not. Yeah, I'll probably see y'all another day, like when I'm actually packing. probably sometime next week. Hey y'all, so this vlog is really all over the place. Each clip is kind of like over the course of a couple weeks, so it's been a while since the last time that I filmed myself packing. But y'all, we are at the week before I move. Actually, this is the weekend, so this following week we're out of here, we're gone, and that's so crazy. So I wanted to get started on just packing up really the rest of everything else. Obviously throughout the week I will be packing, you know, more last minute things that I'll need as the week goes on, because I still have to go to work and stuff. I want to pack up my bathroom, specifically my makeup, and then I also want to pack up my bathroom closet, because a lot of that stuff can just go ahead and be packed up. But I do want to show y'all what I have done so far, just because I don't really remember everything that I vlogged. These are the boxes that got my closet, my dresses, as you can see here, and this one over here. Everything in this desk is also good to go. So my cousin, she actually did the whole entire living room. I'm trying to whisper because she works nights, I work during the day, so I try to like be quiet so she can sleep during the day. This is everything that she got that was in the living room. Everything is pretty much ready to go here. And this is kind of what the living room is looking like. The kitchen isn't completely done either. I'll show y'all that. These are some of the boxes I'm about to use to do the bathroom and stuff. The cabinets are pretty much cleared. Like this cabinet, it only has a couple of Tupperware containers because we use them during the week for work. Pretty much done with a lot of this stuff. I think this week will be the week that obviously we pack up the pans and everything that we've been using. Like as you can see, empty. We also need to clean, which will also happen this coming week. Yeah, that's a bit of an update of what we have so far. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing, throwing out any old food, throwing out anything that we're just not going to take, because Friday is the day that they're going to give us our key for the new place, and what we plan on doing is just moving our food and everything that Friday, just to go ahead and have it in the new fridge, clean out the fridge, all that good stuff. So yeah, yo, this is crazy. I can't believe it's here. It's like, God just works. He is such an amazing father. Because I was reflecting on this the other day, but like I've only been in Atlanta for 6 months and I'm already moving into an apartment, another apartment, and it's also like a pretty nice apartment, which is crazy. And I just feel blessed that everything aligned in the way that it did, that I could live with my cousin, me and her could be roommates, and it work out for the both of us. The way our schedules align, like I still get to experience having the place to myself, she still gets to experience having the place to herself. Like everything just kind of worked out in the best way, and I just love that. And then at this new place, like me and her are pretty like-minded as far as like what we like in a place, so the new place is just perfect for us. And I can't believe like how this all worked out, because it was very stressful to find this apartment. It was not easy whatsoever, and she was the one who actually found it, because both of us were searching, but she found this place and it was just a perfect fit. It worked out. The only thing that sucks is that we're gonna be paying both of our rents. Like I have been telling y'all, the budget has been budgeting, okay? So I am good to go on that front. I've been able to prep and prepare for that. And then I have an amazing family, y'all, who is so supportive. So they've also been helping as well, which I am so blessed. Like when I say y'all blessed, I'm blessed. I have my brother, my mom, my aunt, and my boyfriend, friends, multiple people coming together for us to help us with this move. I'm just so thankful, because I'm not gonna lie, y'all, moving, I'm not a fan of it. It's something that really does stress me out. I'm not handy at all. Like I don't like putting together furniture. That's just not me. It's not my thing. The fact that like I'm gonna have my brother and my mom is actually really good at that kind of stuff. She's gonna be here, like I don't have to worry. We have plenty of help. I feel like it's gonna go by relatively fast, so I'm just excited. I'm just excited to see where this move is gonna take us, the new area that we're gonna be in. Like that's exciting. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get to packing.
At 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my yard. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind, it runs. All these thoughts I try.
Good morning, y'all. It is the day before moving day. Today is Friday, so right now my cousin and I, we're cleaning out the fridge. Our goal is to get the place cleaned and then to transport some items over to our new place today, because today is the day that we get our keys. Y'all can probably hear her talking in the background. I need to run by Walmart to get us like a wagon to carry all this stuff, because like I said, we're gonna transport the food from the fridge, and then our power is supposed to turn off here. We got a lot that we're gonna knock out today. Hopefully the power will wait until the very last second to go out, because we need light, obviously. Let me give y'all a little update on where we are right now. We actually have a lot done. The kitchen is completely done. Like I said, the fridge was the only thing left we had to do, but I'll take y'all to Walmart with me. I think I'm gonna do that after. To get our wagon. All right, y'all, so I just came to the camping section and I found the cart. I want it relatively big so that we can have room for like all the stuff we'll be carrying. It's like gated and elevators and all of that at this new place, so I need a cart for groceries whenever we go grocery shopping. These are the carts I see. This is 59, which isn't too bad. We might do the Ozark Trail. I seen a blue one up front. I'm gonna see if it's the same thing. This right here. Just the other one. Y'all, I cannot wait to start decorating this new place. So, like, look at this. There's this chair, this swivel chair right here. This is so cute to me. You can tell I'll tell my number. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just sitting around. Isn't my goal, see your goal. Sometimes I'm good at good, right now I'm not enough. Say yes, say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me if that's. Hey y'all, we are headed to the apartment now. My auntie, my cousin, and I, we packed up all of our cars. We're gonna move whatever we can in there. Also, we're gonna go ahead and pay for November. Are we even gonna get the key? All right, y'all know how I feel about driving and vlogging. See you when I see you. Y'all, look at this. Let's have it. I'm in the new place. Honestly, I can't believe it. I've been here for a full week now. It's great. Like, I just love the environment. I love living here. I just realized I didn't end the vlog, so I wanted to do that now. Y'all, so one big thing I wanted to talk to y'all about, I went to go get my hair trimmed. Y'all, it's such a crazy story. So I ended up at this Family Dollar after I got my hair done. And y'all, I did not have a charger the whole day. Like, I left the house, was running errands with my cousin and my auntie, and did not have a charger. Don't have a car charger for my new phone because the port is different. So when I was getting my hair done, I realized, oh my gosh, like, my phone is about to die and I don't know how to get back home. So the guy who was doing my hair, he was like, hey, there's a Family Dollar up the street. He kind of gave me like some general directions on how to get there, and I found it. I went there to go get a charger. While I was there, there was this kid, and when I say kid, he was probably between the ages of 17 to like 19, sitting outside of the Family Dollar, and he was clearly homeless. Anytime I see anybody homeless, y'all, like I have a heart for the homeless. I just feel like I need to give anything that I have, and so that's what I did. But the point that I'm trying to make is, it ended up turning into this whole thing where I was praying for him, and it was just a beautiful moment, and I was so emotional leaving, y'all. I just felt like that was meant to happen, like I was meant to run into him. It just made me think more about how like grateful, and I know I keep saying this whole vlog, but just how good God is. But seriously, y'all, I was thinking about so many things, just about the weather, like how cold it is outside, family, like stuff like that. All the things that I have, like this person does not have. He's homeless. I'm in the midst of moving from one apartment to the other. I have the means to do so. It left me feeling very grateful, but it also left me feeling like I want to utilize my time on the weekends, and I'm not saying every weekend, but utilize my time on the weekends to really serve the community. So I'm gonna look into doing that, and y'all will probably see the process of that within like the next vlogs and stuff. But yeah, y'all, I just want to really drive this home that we really have to be so grateful for the little things that we have. Like I have a roof over my head, I have a shower, I have family, I have food in my fridge, lights, like little things like that. There are people who literally do not know when their next meal is going to be. They don't have anywhere to stay. They have to suffer through this weather, and you know how cold it gets at night. The fact that he was so young, it just really did something to me, and I just want to be a part of helping people that are in those positions. It's not about money, it's not about monetary giving, but I feel like I want to give my time, but I want to spread God's light to those individuals and just help wherever I can. I just feel like I have so much to give. I have so much that I need to give because it's just been on my heart heavy. So I want to show how grateful I am. Like I really want you guys to know that last year and the top of this year, I was really struggling trying to get a job, and I was really struggling for a long time until I got to this point. And now like things are starting to go upwards, but I was in, I wouldn't even say like a dark space because I had the faith, but I definitely was in a space of discouragement. Like I just felt like maybe those things aren't gonna happen for me, you know? With God in your life, there is nothing that you can't accomplish or bring into your life. Do not lose faith. Do not lose sight of God. Keep him in the forefront of your mind, and he will set your path straight. I love you guys, and I appreciate you so much. I wish I had vlogged more like of the day that we moved. Me and my cousin both. We were running on really no sleep, and just it was so much going on. Like it was such a chaotic day. Like I said, I'll see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys so much. Peace.